Well, hello again, this is Andrew and we continuing the story of the dead HP server dl380 generation 9. That one totally dead. I just swapped all what was in there to this box and it's all working fine. The raid survived, the one runsteam died, one of the RAMs died. This is my test CPU, it's working on this box without any issue. This is my cat, one of two. So it's all working. It's not complaining. I'm in the remote right now. The same server box. As you may see, there's a sticker what it was from the eBay. It was just bare bone without nothing. I swapped the front panel. Those are my test hard drives, and this one now have nothing. No, except the teddy. This is the dead motherboard. This is my working flashlight. There's nothing, no trace, no burn smell, nothing. It's just not working, you know. Plus, there is no 3.3 volts. I tested on the both servers while they were working, and here's a pin for the 3.3 volt, and there's just 0 volts because the PCU is only giving 12 volts, and there's some kind of circuit. I don't know which generates probably 3.3 volts, and it's just fried out. Or there's a short circuit somewhere because there was a hit by a lightning and it was connected directly to the motherboard. So yeah, this is a small issue what I've been hit, because the difference between barebone server and motherboard, except the delivery, was about 20 euros. The difference. This is the smart array which came with this server. So yeah, power supplies are working from the same box. It's not an issue of the power supplies. So yeah, now I have the dead motherboard and fully bare bone server, and I really don't know what to do right now because it just will sit around here like the another server, and that's it. Maybe you will have some suggestions about what to do with it. So thanks for watching for now. If there will be something, I will continue to inform you about the video, and see ya. Bye bye.